Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing 100% natural, 100% real peacock oyster pearl from Indian Ocean. It's a very, very beautiful pearl showing wonderful color shade of peacock naturally from Indian Ocean oyster. Very, very beautiful and very, very powerful. Gives you colorful, happy life. It's such a wonderful, rarest, unique collection of pearl from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See how beautiful this pearl it is. You can see all peacock shades in this pearl, and it is very, very rarest collection from the Indian Ocean. It is very powerful and remove all negative energy from your body and makes your body to flow with high level of positive energy. Such a wonderful pearl it is. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.